Alright, man, it's about to go down. We got Iwao versus Khrome and Ryuga. So, Golemrock 160 under needle facing off against Cobaltdrake 460F and Lightning L-Drago 160F. The barrage mode and the power mode. Or upper mode, whichever. Alright, so let's do this, man. Starting off with Cobaltdrake. Mustard! And oh my god. That, okay. Yeah, man. That is bad. Alright. Ooh, what a hit. Devastating blows. The Golemrock showing off that raw defense. Taking a full-fledged hit straight up from Cobaltdrake. Honestly, not easy to do. And still hits like a truck. The rare day for a reason. Alright. Bop. 3-1. That defense Golemrock, but still, man, the extreme finish. Holy. Some shit Khrome would do, like going above and beyond. That's 6 points. Alright, well. Now, Lightning L-Drago. This is gonna be sick. Speed mode. Or barrage mode. And what the hell was that? That was ridiculous. Man said, I'm out. I'm not facing you. This reminds me of Lightning L-Drago versus Rock Leone because literally the shape of Golemrock. I would love if they did a Rock Leone remake. That would be perfect for it. Like Gear Ball. Or, yeah, something like Gear Ball. If it even had like a shape like this. Golemrock definitely reminds me so much of Rock Leone. Like Bandit Golem or Bandit Gorm from 0G, but also Rock Leone. You know, Golemrock. And the shape. And damn! Alright, Golemrock gets that one. So 1-0. And bop. Ooh, the jump. Yo, that double extreme, triple extreme. What? Extreme dash? What the hell? That is crazy. But it took those hits. And if it would have KO'd it at the end, I would have lost my shit. That's 2. Okay. Bop. And oh yo, save itself. What the hell? That counter, dude, insane. All these hits. L-Drago's still in there. Can it win it? It's close. And yo, Golemrock being a beast. All right. So what? That's 3. Some work here. What the shit? What the shit biscuit? Okay. 3-0. I'm not sure. Ryuga, you gonna take that? Yo, that line. Oh, those hits. Golem. Oh my lord! Get the hell out of here. Yeah, man, Golemrock. But we got the power mode up in here now. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh shit! Almost. Oh my lord! You did not last second KO this man like that. That is disrespectful. Okay, that's 2. Good offense to this thing. L-Drago just going apeshit. Bruh. Oh, the sound launching that got me stabilized by. Oh my god. The hit, man, the hit. Alright. Well, that's 3. Damn. Boom. And boom. Yeah, solid hits. Oh my lord. Golemrock. Solid defense. Shown right there.